everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting, and today is going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm showing you how I edit my photos in Darkroom. So this is the app Darkroom. It is free and I really like using it. I find that it's best to edit my photos in Darkroom first and then go over to Instagram. And so here I'm just showing you, I like to bring the brightness and the whites up pretty good on my photos. And then I also kind of mess a little bit with the contrast, shadowing, and stuff up there. And then I also bring it down and go to my saturation and vibrance. And I also use the temperature gauge and push it a little bit more to the bluer sides of things. I find that the bluer whites tend to match the whites of Instagram's background best. And so I'd rather have a bluer white than a yellower white. Now, if you're watching this video because you read my blog post on my website, you'll have already known this, but I edit everything in Darkroom first and then bring it over to Instagram and resize it with Instagram's like little square size and do the final touches over on Instagram. Instagram doesn't have the best editing software, but it does do a fairly good job on those final little tweaks and edits. So this is my primary editing software that I use on my phone, which is just an iPhone 8. So don't worry about what kind of phone you have, because any of the phones available on today's market will do. None of the photos you are taking are going to be put on any billboards, so the specs don't matter too much here. So I've jumped onto Instagram now, and I'm putting this photo on, and I'm going to go to their editing software now. And I'm just going to tweak just little tiny things here and there. I do the same kind of things over on Instagram as I do on Darkroom, because sometimes they give you just a tiny bit of a different look. So it's always good to just kind of play around with your editing software and see what pleases your eye best. Now, with editing photos for Instagram or any social media, consistency is key here. So I always take my photos on my white desk in front of a window with some filtered sunlight. So you definitely want to try to keep your photos consistent in that way. And then I change it up with different props or sides. And I always try to take a picture of just the Bible journaling page itself or junk journal, whatever I'm doing. But just consistency is key. Make stuff light and bright and really saturated, because that's what's going to draw the attention when people are scrolling through Instagram. Now, obviously, photos aren't everything. I am not perfect in this area at all, but I continually try to improve myself because I really enjoy seeing other people's detail in their Bible journaling pages. So by having a well-edited photo, you'll be able to see those details better, and that's what I love. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please ask any questions you have down below. I'll try to answer them the best that I can, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye.